everyone, so in this tutorial I'm just going to show you a little bit about how to use Padlet. So first thing you need to do is sign up for Padlet. Pretty simple. You are able just to Google Padlet and then you can click here on the sign up link. Sign up with your Google account that's given to you from the school. That way we have your name that we're able to use. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. I already have an account, so it's pretty easy. The best part about signing up with your Google account is you don't have to retype in your password every time you log in. So now if I Google Padlet, I can go, well, let me log out first. Okay, now I'm able to go right to log in, and then I'm going to log in with my Google account, right? Best thing is, this is all I have to do, right? So I just click on the Google account that I want to log in with, and here I am. So I'm going to open up our first Padlet that we're going to use, which is going to be our animal challenge is what we're going to call it. So what you're going to do is upload a picture or video, you can upload a picture, a video of either your pet or just your favorite animal if you don't have a pet. I have quite a few pets, so you're able to scroll through. It looks pretty similar to Instagram. As you go through, you can see you can even like photos. You can add different comments. Obviously, nothing negative should be said, but you are able to add different comments. And you can just scroll through and look at all of my different pets. So I think I have 10 right now, and I love all of them very much. So if you want to add, you're going to look in that bottom right-hand corner, and you can pull up click on that little pink plus button. You can add a title, so I'll just say pet. And then you can write a little description like I've had, right there, I have had my dog since I was 5 and I love him so much. And then here you can go in and you can snap a photo right here. This is where you can pull up a link, or you can upload from your different files that you already have. I personally think that this is easier to do on your phone because it really is very similar to Instagram. So if you want to pull Padlet up on your phone, you can download the app. I have another tutorial in this YouTube playlist on how to download the Padlet app and use the Padlet app. But otherwise, you can just do it on your Chromebook. You can allow it to access your camera, and then it can access your camera, and you can take some photos. So yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. You can also Google different tutorials to help you, but I think you all should be able to figure it out.